Welcome to HVAC exam practice test. Our topic today is practice test number 1. Download the app by using the link in the description or by searching HVAC TruePrep AI Tutor in the App Store and Google Play to access more exam-like practice tests. Question 1. When inspecting an installation of heating equipment, what is essential to ensure proper functioning? A. Correct room color. B. Minimal airflow. C. Use of galvanized steel. D. Enough clearance for maintenance. The correct answer is D. Enough clearance for maintenance. Explanation: clearance ensures safe operation and easy maintenance. Question 2. The heat content of water is usually measured in A. Degrees Celsius. B. Fahrenheit. C. Kelvin. D. British thermal units, BTU. The correct answer is D. British thermal units, BTU. Explanation: BTU is the standard unit for measuring heat energy in HVAC. It is a good practice to install suction side on all oil systems to remove foreign materials that could damage the pump. A. Butterflies. B. Filters. C. Strainers. D. Regulators. The correct answer is C. Strainers. Explanation: strainers remove debris that could damage the pump and reduce efficiency. Question 4. Which type of valve is most commonly used for controlling the quantity of fuel gas flow to the burner? A. Butterfly. B. Angle. C. Check. D. Standard. The correct answer is A. Butterfly. Explanation: butterfly valves provide precise control of fuel gas flow due to their throttling ability. Question 5. Hydrocarbons include propane, ethane, and A. Isobutane. B. Ethane. C. Butane. D. Methane. The correct answer is A. Isobutane. Explanation: isobutane is a hydrocarbon commonly used as a refrigerant. Question 6. Are 12 refrigerant boils at what degrees Fahrenheit? A. 32. B. -28.3. C. 212. D. -21.6. The correct answer is D. -21.6. Explanation: R12 has a boiling point of -21.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 7. The two types of refrigeration systems used for air conditioning applications in buildings are A. Vapor compression and water-cooled. B. Absorption and compression. C. Vapor compression and absorption. D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Vapor compression and absorption. Explanation: vapor compression and absorption are the two main refrigeration systems because they use different principles to transfer heat efficiently. Question 8. What type of compressor systems have primarily used HCFC-22 refrigerant? A. negative displacement. B. Low displacement. C. High displacement. D. Positive displacement. The correct answer is D. Positive displacement. Explanation: positive displacement compressors like scroll and reciprocating types have used HCFC-22 due to its favorable thermodynamic properties. Question 9. Why is Freon being replaced as a refrigerant? A. It is too expensive. B. It is poisonous. C. It is damaging the environment. D. It is not suited for safe operation in confined places. The correct answer is C. It is damaging the environment. Explanation: Freon is being phased out due to its harmful effects on the ozone layer. Question 10. The ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, is used to A. Provide a high voltage service to TVs. B. Prevent moisture from entering the control panel box. C. Protect swimming poles from becoming charged. D. Prevent accidental electrical shock. The correct answer is D. Prevent accidental electrical shock. Explanation: GFC is detect ground faults and shut off electricity to prevent shocks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.